So this is lesson 12, and we're going to be talking about the third style of management, which is the contingency approach. This one is very different from the previous two and came about after the classical scientific approach and the behavioural approach. And it's based upon the idea that there might be no one possible best way to manage. In fact, business is constantly changing, and therefore managers need to constantly adapt and change the way that they manage. So the first thing that you need to understand the contingency approach is, what is a contingency? A contingency is just simply an event that might happen. It's not a certainty that it's going to happen, but there's a good possibility that it might take place. So one of the things that's important here is that good managers need to take into account contingencies. They need to think about what's going to happen when they're making plans for their business. So the contingency approach says that there's no single good way of managing a business. Instead, a manager must be ready to change, to fit in with what's best with that particular environment or that particular context. So the organisational structure of a business will depend on the type of tasks that are done in the business.